Hi. So few people have asked me in the comment section that does Concerta cause anxiety? And the answer is yes and no. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you next time. Take care and bye. Okay, so yes and no. So Concerta is a stimulant. And stimulants, they can cause you anxiety. Even the most popular beverage in the world, coffee, can cause you huge anxiety. It can cause you panic attacks. It did for me. It increases not only dopamine but also norepinephrine in your body. And norepinephrine will act like a stress signal in your body. Like always, the dosage plays a huge role. There's a big difference between 80 milligrams and 72 milligrams. Big difference. In my case, 80 milligrams, it will make me more stable. It gives me that small boost and I'll be okay. But if you give me 54 or 72, it can increase my anxiety, especially if I'm in a very social environment around people. If I have already stress in the environment, it can increase my anxiety. Same thing with coffee. 1-2 cup, okay. You drink 6 cups of coffee, yeah, you might feel some anxiety. And Concerta is no different. And the other thing also is that bigger doses, they can make you feel robotic. At least for me, if I take 72 milligrams, which I never take anymore, it will make me very quiet and calm and robotic. So I'll be basically in my head. And that is very hard, for example, if you're in a very social environment or there's people around, because you're going to feel like an alien. And I've had this many times. I would take two big doses of Concerta, then I would feel like an alien.
How did the alien respond?
I was so quiet. I would just be with myself in my head, and somebody would talk to me something. I would be like I'll be like so not interested. I mean, people probably thought I was using heroin many times. So the big doses, they can make you feel robotic, which itself can cause you anxiety because you're going to feel very awkward. So there's a big difference between doses. A small dose will give you lots of benefit. Big dose may give you some benefit, but it will create other problems. And there's some things you can do to minimize that. Of course, you can talk with your doctor about lowering your dosage. You even get prescribed beta blockers for worst case scenario. If you have very physical anxiety symptoms, you could take beta blockers. And also there's a great supplements. For example, sometimes I would take 5-HTP. Also green tea. Green tea has L-theanine in it, so it's very great to drink, for example, when you're at work or you're somewhere in a social gathering, because it can give you this relaxed, smooth focus. Also, dividing doses might be pretty smart, because if you take the whole dose right at once, for example, you take 36 milligrams, of course it's going to create you this big peak, which can create you anxiety. But if I take, for example, what I always do, I take like 80 milligrams, then I wait and maybe take another 80 milligrams, then it will be not as bad. But if you take the whole dose at once, then yeah, you're going to experience anxiety, plus you're going to experience the crash later. Well, let me know your experience with Concerta and anxiety. Has it increased your anxiety or has it reduced your anxiety? Tell me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. You can like this video if you want, and I will talk to you next time. Take care and bye.